Are you in the business of nanoparticles for nanomedicines, vaccines, synthesis, chemicals, cosmetics, food, or other applications? Is particle size one of your must-know characteristics in R&D, manufacturing, and quality control? We're InProcess-LSP, and we'd like to introduce the NanoFlowSizer, a groundbreaking solution in process analytical technology. The NanoFlowSizer provides real-time inline analysis with direct nanoparticle size information to help understand and control your products and processes. The NanoFlowSizer is based on spatially resolved dynamic light scattering, the only commercially available technology capable of measuring particle size in flowing suspensions in a fully automated way. At InProcess-LSP, our team has a passion for process analytical technology, and our top-class scientists are committed to delivering outstanding solutions for our customers. The NanoFlowSizer is successfully used for development and production of nanomedicines for oncology, vaccines for COVID-19, and other pharmaceutical nanoparticle-type formulations. In addition, the NanoFlowSizer technology offers great benefits in other markets, including specialty coatings, inks, chemicals, food, and cosmetics. Most importantly, there's total flexibility and modularity, so you can adapt the system to your own specific needs. InProcess-LSP, innovators in process analytical technology.